Hi, I'm Anthony Brister, founder of the Brister Law Firm. And if you're a business owner, your estate plan is just as important as your business plan. Without one, everything you worked for could be at risk. Your business, your family, and your legacy. In this video, we're breaking down the most important estate planning and insurance strategies every business owner should have in place. And more importantly, we're going to show you how to make sure your plan actually works for you when you need it the most. Estate planning isn't just for the wealthy or the retired. It's about control over what happens to your business, your income, and your legacy if something unexpected happens. As a business owner, you just don't have personal assets to think about. You have contracts, employees, partners, intellectual property, and clients that rely on you. Your estate plan is what protects them all. And some key questions you need to consider are: who will take over your company if you pass away unexpectedly or become incapacitated? What happens to your ownership interest? Does it go to your family, your partners, or someone else? Will your heirs be forced to sell the business to cover taxes or your debts? A well-crafted estate plan makes sure that your wishes are honored, your business continues to operate, and your family isn't left scrambling when you die. It's not enough to have a will tucked away in a drawer. For business owners, a real plan includes a power of attorney to authorize someone to make legal and financial decisions on your behalf if you're not able, an advanced healthcare directive so your medical decisions are handled according to your wishes, a revocable living trust to avoid probate, protect your privacy, and ensure a smooth transfer of your assets, which includes your business shares, and a buy-sell agreement. This is a must if you have business partners. It outlines what happens to your ownership interests in the event of death, disability, and even divorce. These documents don't just protect you, they protect everyone who depends on your business, from your family to your employees. And keep in mind, these aren't just sit it and forget it documents. They need to be reviewed and updated as your business grows and your life changes. Life insurance is often one of the missing pieces in estate plans, but it's more than just income replacement. It's a tool for liquidity, continuity, and control. And here's how it supports your estate plan. It can fund buy-sell agreements, so your partners or your family don't have to come up with cash to buy out your interest. It covers estate taxes, so your heirs don't have to sell off assets to pay the IRS. It can protect the loss against key employees or partners through key person insurance. And it can create liquidity so your family isn't forced to sell the business just to survive. And if you're looking to keep life insurance outside of your taxable estate, an irrevocable life insurance trust, or ILIT, is a tool that you need. It holds a policy separately and can prevent hundreds of or thousands and even millions from being included in your taxable estate. This is strategy, not just coverage. Here's what we see far too often: business owners who have a personal will but no business succession plan, an outdated insurance policy that no longer reflects the value of the company, buy-sell agreements with valuation methods that are unclear, unworkable, or never funded, and estate plans written before their business took off and never revisited. If your business has grown, changed partners, added family involvement, or moved into new markets, your plan needs to evolve with that. And a good rule of thumb is if you haven't reviewed your estate plan in the last 2 years, it's time. If you want to protect your business and everything that you've built, it's the time to act is now. Read the full blog below. It's packed with a detailed checklist, helpful planning tips, and guidance on legal and financial tools that you'll need to build your estate plan the right way. At the Brister Law Firm, we help business owners make smart, strategic decisions that protect their wealth, their families, and their future. Don't wait until it's too late to make a plan, because the absence of one could cost you everything.